Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll solve more math kangaroo problems. So, let's start. Our first problem here says, a pail filled with milk to the top weighs 25 kilograms and a pail filled halfway weighs 13 kilograms. How much does an empty pail weigh? So, to solve this problem, first let's take some notes. A full pail weighs 25 kilograms or kgs. A half full pail weighs 13 kilograms or kgs. So we can do 25 minus 13 to find how much a half pail weighs. So let's do 25 minus 13. 5 minus 3 is 2, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So half a pail of milk, and by this I mean only the milk, weighs 12 kgs or kilograms. Here we noted that half a pail weighs 13 kgs, but here when we did the math, it says that only half milk weighs 12 kgs. So we can do 13 minus 12 to find how much the pail weighs. And if we do 13 minus 12, we get 1 kg or kilogram. So the pail weighs 1 kg. Wow. Which means that if we do 25 minus 1 kg, we can get the amount of milk that is in the pail if it is full. And that means that a full pail of milk, but only the milk, weighs 24 kgs. And since they're asking how much does an empty pail weigh, well, since the pail weighs 1 kg, that is our answer. And in the problem, our answer is D. Our second problem here says, what is the least possible number of children in the Kowalski family if each of the children has at least one brother and at least one sister? Well, the answer has to be at least more than 2 because there is always 2 parents in every family if it is complete. So we can put 2 for 1 mom and 1 dad. Then we can put a plus and a blank because we don't know how many children there are. Here it says that each children has at least 1 brother and at least 1 sister. So there could be 2 children because one of them could be a boy, or we could put B, while one of them could be a girl, or G. And in this case, we see that there is at least 1 sister and she has 1 brother. So there is 2 children in the family. So we can put 2 here and complete the equation. 2 plus 2 equals 4. So there are 4 people in the family. And in this problem, that answer is D. Our last problem for today's video here says, the figure shown rotates clockwise and makes 1 full rotation in 1 hour. The position at 12 p.m. is shown in the picture to the right, which means this picture. What will it look like at 2:15 p.m.? Well, since it makes 1 full rotation in 1 hour, it'll look the same as this picture over here at 2 p.m. And since on a clock, every 15 minutes equals 1/4 rotation, We just need to look for the picture in these answer choices, which will look like it did 1/4 of a full circle. Or, in this case, this would be over here and this would be over here. So, to put it in perspective, it would look like this. So we draw a square. It's not a very good drawing, but essentially it'll look like this. And in our answer choices, it's A. So the answer to this problem is A. I hope you enjoyed today's video solving Math Kangaroo problems with me. In our next video, we will solve more Math Kangaroo problems. So see you until then, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!